Hi, I'm Brandon with West Hive Capital. I want to welcome you guys to our latest acquisition, a little retail center in Rancho Palos Verdes, California, just south of Los Angeles. We acquired this in middle of March, and I want to walk you guys through some of the progress that we've made on construction, as well as leasing and some of the community involvement that we've been getting. A lot of positive action on this. But we're moving along right now. We started construction beginning of June. We're probably about 40 to 50% along the way of demolition. We're moving through, gutting out all of the spaces, re-demising all the facade. We've signed some great tenants. We've got Habit Burger, California Fish Grill, Mattress Firm, Urbane Cafe, Piccini, which is a local Italian place. We're in talks with a handful of others, bringing us up to about 85% leased here soon. Got offers on almost every other space that we can't quite talk about yet. But we're moving forward on construction, hopefully to finish this up in the next 6 months or so. We should be done by the end of the year. Get the tenants in there doing all their tenant improvements, get this place open by next summer. Bring in some new tenants, help the community out. Everybody's been a proponent of this, but so far so good. It's good to have the support of the city, the support of the community back here. They're all looking forward to having, new tenants and new places to hang out, new restaurants to attend, new shopping. So we're super excited about this, and we'll be doing monthly updates.